Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to learn to tell time to the quarter hour. There we go. Tell time to the 1/4 hour. You will use what you already know about telling time to help you learn the new concept. So we're going to start with a quick little review. This is, what fraction is this? This fraction is 1/4. You already know that. This one is 2/4. And if you notice, if you put 1/4 and 1/4 together, you end up with a half. And this is 3/4, and the last one makes 4/4, or it's actually 1/2. And if I take these three away, we still have this 1/4 or 1/4 right here. So I'm going to move this clock over here, and just as a reminder, there are how many minutes in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. The long hand points to the minutes, the short hand points to the hours. If we take this 1/4, we always start telling time, we always start counting from the 12. We all know that. That's something that we can use that we already know to help us learn our new concept. So we start at the 12, and if I put this quarter here and we take the the minute hand. We're going to take the minute hand, we're going to take it all the way past this 1/4. So we started on the 12 and we brought it down here until it points to the 3, and we notice it went away around how far? It went 1/4 of the way around the clock. Now, let's assume the hour hand was on, say, the 6. So, when we have the minute hand pointing to the 3, well, if the minute hand is on the 3, we say it is 1/4 past whatever the hour happens to be. And in this case, the hour happens to be 6. So we say it's 1/4 past, and we write the digital time, and you all know how to write the digital time. It's 1/4 past 6 o'clock. Easy peasy. Well, now, close your eyes for 1 second, and open them again. Oh, now the hour hand is just past the 7. So if we were going to write the clock, write the time in digital form, we say it is 1/4 past 7 o'clock. Now, if that minute hand decides to keep traveling around that clock and it goes another quarter further around the clock, now it's all the way down to the 6. The minute hand is pointing to the 6. Well, we know it already started at the 12 and it went halfway around. There's 60 minutes in the clock. It went 30 minutes, which is halfway around the clock, so we say it is 7:30. Now, let's go ahead and get the other quarter hour, and we're going to put it up here. So now we have another quarter, and that minute hand is going to travel another quarter of the way around the clock, and when it does, it's going to point to the 9. So whenever it's on the quarter hours, it's always pointing to the 12, the 3, the 6, or the 9. Otherwise, we wouldn't think about it as being an exact quarter hour. Now, if the minute hand is on the 9, we say it is 1/4 instead of saying it's 1/4 past the 7, we say it's getting close, the hour hand's getting close to the 8, so we're going to say in one more quarter hour, once it goes this one more quarter hour, it's going to be 8 o'clock. So we say it is 1/4 to 8, like that. Well, and sometimes we could say it's 1/4 till 8. It means the same thing. 1/4 to 8 or 1/4 till 8 means the same thing. So, of course, if I put this up here, like so, then it goes another quarter hour, and then it brings it up to the 12, and now it is 8 o'clock. And that is our lesson on telling time to the quarter hour. Thank you.